Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Join Hands. Today we're going to see unboxing and specification of Kubra 5-in-1 grooming kit. I ordered this grooming kit in Amazon for 1200 rupees. Now let's get into the video and see the kit and its specification. The model of this grooming kit is KB5300. This grooming kit has an ultimate control and it's perfect for face and hairstyling and also for body grooming. This grooming kit has like 19 precision lens setting and you can adjust the hair length up to 1 to 10 mm. Now let's open the box and see the grooming kit. In box you will get an 1-year brand warranty card, and along with that you will also get an user manual where the detailed instruction on how to use this trimmer is given. And this is a trimmer that I was talking about. This also has an on off switch as you can see, and it also has a lens selector where this hair clipping combo moves up and down when I change the lens selector. So this is also the precision lens settings from 0 to 19. Removing this hair clipping combo and haircut trimmer from the trimmer set is very easy, but initially I tried removing it from front and it makes very difficult for me to remove it, but the correct direction is to remove from the back side. Now let's see the other one, which is the nose and ear hair trimmer. This nose and ear hair trimmer also fits this trimmer very easily, as you can see, and it also fits for everyone so that you can remove your unwanted hair. So the precision lens setting doesn't work for this nose and ear hair trimmer, and you can also remove it easily from behind. Next we can see this micro shaver that fits in this trimmer that easily, and we can use this micro shaver to create smooth and well defined contours. Next we can see this design trimmer. This also fits into it very easily and easily detachable. You can use this trimmer to trim your eyebrows and also to do some design on your beard. The box also comes along with the cover. Let's open the cover and see what's inside it. Inside the cover you will be able to see the oil bottle, the cleaning brush and a comb and a female port USB cable. This USB cable is used to charge your trimmer. You can connect this female port into the trimmer, and also you can use this mobile charger adapter which is 5.1 volt and connect this USB cable into it and plug it for charge. As soon as you plug it on, you should be able to see the charging percentage over there. As of now, it is fully charged. That's the reason it is showing 100%. And you can also see the charging symbol where it indicates it is charging. You can activate the travel lock in the trimmer by pressing this on off button for 3 seconds so that it goes into the travel lock mode. While you activate this travel lock, symbol will light up on the screen as you see. Once the travel lock is active, you cannot use the trimmer, and this is how we use it. Now let's go ahead and turn on the trimmer and see how it works. Thanks for watching, and please stay tuned for my next upload. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Also comment and press the bell icon